Before the name Nigeria ever existed, the land was a vibrant tapestry of powerful kingdoms, empires, and diverse societies. These groups were not one people but many, each with its own unique language, culture, and system of government. In the north, the Hausa city-states were centers of trade and Islamic scholarship, connected by vast caravan routes that crossed the Sahara Desert. Later, a religious movement led by the Fulani scholar Usman Danfodio in the early 1800s established the expansive Sokoto Caliphate, a powerful Islamic empire that unified this region under a single political and spiritual authority. This caliphate was known for its organized administration, its legal system based on Islamic law, and its thriving economy. Further south, in the forested regions of the southwest, the Yoruba people had built remarkable city-states centuries before the arrival of Europeans. The ancient city of Ife was considered their spiritual homeland, a place of immense artistic and religious importance. The Oyo Empire, with its formidable cavalry and complex political structure, became the dominant Yoruba power, extending its influence over a vast territory. The Yoruba were known for their sophisticated urban centers, their intricate political systems balancing the power of kings, or obas, with councils of chiefs, and their rich traditions in art, particularly the famous bronze and terracotta sculptures that continue to mesmerize the world today. In the southeast, the Igbo people lived in a very different kind of society. Unlike the centralized kingdoms of the Yoruba or the Hausa Fulani, the Igbo were largely organized into autonomous villages and village groups. They governed themselves through councils of elders and general assemblies where all men could have their say. This system was highly democratic and decentralized, emphasizing individual achievement and community cooperation. While they did not have kings in the same way as their neighbors, they developed complex social structures, trade networks, and a rich cultural life of their own, showing that a society could be strong and successful without a single powerful ruler. These were just three of the major groups. Hundreds of other distinct ethnic communities, such as the Kanuri of the Bornu Empire, the Benin Kingdom with its legendary bronze plaques, the Ija of the Niger Delta, and the Tiv of the Middle Belt, also thrived in this region. They traded with one another, sometimes they fought, and they developed complex relationships over many centuries. They were not waiting to be discovered or unified. They were independent peoples with long, proud histories, each contributing to the rich and complex human landscape that the British would later encounter and fundamentally reshape into a single entity. The first significant interactions between the peoples of the Nigerian region and the British were centered on trade. Initially, the British were interested in resources like